Hello! Welcome to my channel, Mr. Handyman at your service. Guys, we are going to repair Sony Smart LED TV, good backlight but no pictures, panel repair. If you want more videos like this, just click subscribe button to update you in my next contents. Here's the model number of the unit, KLV-48R472B. Here's the trouble of the unit, with power and backlight but no pictures, and it has 5 times red blink indicator. It means the problem is in the LCD panel Ticon board or top board. Let's prepare to repair the unit. We're going to remove a touch cover to access the Ticon board or top board of the LCD panel. As we notice, it has no separate Ticon board in this model. All circuits are in the top board. Let's proceed to voltage checking. V-in is 12.14 volts DC and the fuse is okay. And after the error detected by the system control IC, it shut down. Let's check the voltage in the DC to DC circuit. HV-in has no reading. AVDD has no reading. HAVDD is 0 reading. BCC 3.3 has no reading. BCC 1.15 is also no reading. Okay guys, we're going to remove the ribbon wire going to the left and check the voltage. Guys, still the same. There's no reading in the DC to DC circuit. Let's proceed to troubleshoot the unit. We're going to check the status of the DC to DC circuit if there's some abnormal reading. Okay guys, let's proceed to repair the problem. We are going to remove the two ceramic capacitor and check the status of the circuit. After we remove the first capacitor, the short circuit status is still there. And now, we are going to remove the second capacitor and check the status of the circuit. As we notice, the short status in this part of DC to DC circuit is gone. And now, we are going to return the good ceramic capacitor. Let's proceed to voltage reading. Let's return first the ribbon wire going to the other side of the panel. Let's turn on the unit and check the voltage. As we can see, the voltage in the DC to DC circuit are present and there's no shutdown happen. It means that the circuit is working. Guys, we repaired the problem of the unit. If you have any comments and suggestion, please write down below. Thanks for watching and goodbye for now. Maraming salamat po.